So for number 6, Jada asked some students at her school about how many hours they spent watching TV last week, to the nearest hour. Here are the box plot and a histogram of the data she collected. Is the mean or the median a more appropriate measure of center for this data? Explain your reasoning. In this case here, because we see that most of the data, 75% of the data is in between 0 and 10 hours. There might be only one or two students that are up here in the 20 hours range. So in this case here, the median is going to be a more appropriate center because the mean is going to get pulled to the right, which is going to say, a typical student watches 14 hours or something like that, whereas 75% of them watch less than 10 hours. So the median in this case would be a better measure of center. For B, can Jada use these data displays to find the exact median? Really simple here. A box plot, if you know that a box plot is made with the Q2 here in the middle, that tells us that the median is 5 because this is Q2 is the median. So when we're given a box plot, really easy to find the median. With the mean, though, we need every single data point, and both the box plots and the histograms are giving us general information. They're giving us ranges, right? 0 to 5, 5 to 10. In this case here, they're just giving us that most of the students are down here. It doesn't actually give us each data point. And to find the mean, we need to be able to add all those data points together and then divide by the number of data points. And then lastly, it says using these data displays, would you use IQR or the MAD to measure the variability? Remember, to find the MAD, we need to know the mean. In this case, I already said, we don't know how to find the mean with either of these displays. The IQR would be a better measure of variability because the IQR can show us, hey, where's Q1 and Q3? We subtract them to find the IQR, which then gives us the measure of the variability. So we wouldn't use the MAD, we would use the IQR.